Hi, my name is Marta Alicia Bolila de Villa, and I am recording my career profile choice in marriage and family studies, and I shoot the job family support coordinator in U.S. Committee refugees and immigrants for refugees and immigrants, mostly now like USCR. This organization is operating in Crystal City, just across the Potomac River, bordering in Washington, D.C. USCRI is a big organization because have a presence in different states around in the United States. They give support for people who have lost or left their homes, especially the child. Well, typical stressor this job have is like interaction with other professionals, people, and children when speaking different languages. Is full-time work. Being alert all the time about the problems, seeking the problems, knowing specific human rights, preparing material for therapeutic approaches, or management different conflicts, making reports with specific terminology, and the weather understanding and adapting of the culture of the refugees, etc. So the benefits of this organization is they pay for my training. I will have experience, field trips, work progress, knowing people for different culture and backgrounds, learning new skills, adapting to the new scenarios, teamwork and leadership development, learning new languages, helping people and establishing new relations with the government and non-government, and of course bonuses. Well, the education requirements, they ask for a bachelor degree in social work or behavioral science or family studies in a related field. However, they are flexible, and if had 2 years of related work experience for every year of schooling that will be required, they will also take into consideration. I like it. Well, about the starting salary range, this position offers 3,000 hiring bonus, and they pay for the hour 28 dollars with 27 cents. So about degree preparation, how will my degree, minor certificate in marriage and family studies help prepare me for this type of career? I think it's very important development specific skills like assertiveness, rapport, empathy, positive communications, interview, good relations with the others, and knows human rights for specific case. Look at the mental and physical change individuals go through as they develop or age, and how those alterations affect their relations with their family members. Writing reports with a specific terminology, knows Microsoft Office, database, and other tools and software. Specific, I will prepare for understand this software in this organization. Well, so if you have any questions, you can feel free for ask me. I am definitely interested in this type of position because of my backgrounds and my experience is applicable. Thank you.